Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align images vertically and horizontally in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and I will align these images vertically and horizontally. Select this home option, this menu bar, and here you will find this edit option. Click here edit. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your images and select and see this object will now activate and select this align option. Here you will find this vertically align and see this vertically align adjust this. And if I select these two images and select align option, and this is horizontally, see this. Also align these two images, select align option, and this is horizontally. In this way you can fix the images vertically and horizontally alignment, and this is vertically, see this. Also you can horizontally align vertically and middle of this page is horizontally and so on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.